Hello friends, and welcome to Midi II. We're going to start with quiz number 1, and I think I want to warn you that this semester we're going to get into some technical stuff, and so I just want you to be prepared, and I'm going to be right here with you to get you through it, but some of this is going to be a little nerdy. But let's jump right in. First of all, plug-in instruments always require a host application in order for you to use. If they're a plug-in, they need something else. Now, there are some that work both as plugins and standalones, and that's true as well. But if you're going to call it a plug-in, that means it needs somebody else to help it run. Number 2, VST. VST was developed by Steinberg. I'm not sponsored by Steinberg, but I should be. Okay, processing power, memory, or RAM, random access memory, and hard disk speed, those all potentially will limit the usability of your software instruments, right? I've been playing around with some that are very power hogs, right? That they'll slow down because I don't have enough RAM or processing power. Good. The audio hardware generates the software instrument's output. So it depends on, right? I have a Scarlett. The Scarlett is playing the sound going through my ears, not Omnisphere, not Keyscape, not Expand or whatever plugin that it is that you're using. The Osseo driver was developed by Steinberg to optimize the stream of audio information inside the computer. Again, I'm not sponsored by Steinberg, but I should be. Okay, DXI needs DirectX installed on your computer in order to work, and it is not compatible with Macintosh, Apple computers. That's what I'm using right now, so I don't have DXI. All right, when using standalone software instruments along with a sequencer, the order in which you launch the applications is important. Okay, I used to do a rewire project, and we hit that over and over again, that if you open up the plugin first and then the host DAW, they're not going to hook up correctly. Okay. Rewire is a protocol developed by Steinberg and propeller heads that connects different compatible software applications together using virtual audio cables. I am not sponsored by Steinberg or Propellerhead, although I should be. Okay, but this is just a way that they came up with so that things like Reason can work in Cubase or Nuendo, and it also works in Pro Tools. The thing that I've done the most of is rewiring Reason into the host of Pro Tools. So I had a Pro Tools session and have some Reason elements going into them using Rewire. Okay. MIDI channel voice, MIDI control change, and SysX message, and MIDI remote control surfaces. All of the above are what you can use for that question. They're all true. But what is false is that you always need to use a physical MIDI port output to forward MIDI events to a software instrument, right? You can do that digitally. You can do, there are other ways besides a physical MIDI port that you can send your messages, you can send prices, you can send kangaroos, but you cannot be surprised.